Hello friends. So today let's solve CAT 2025 Slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So we'll be solving the questions one by one. Okay. So let's start. Now you see, a cafeteria offers 5 types of sandwiches. Moreover, each type of sandwich, a customer can choose one of the 4 breads and opt for either small or large size sandwich. Optionally, the customer may also add up to 2 out of 6 available sauces. The number of different ways in which order can be placed for a sandwich. So you see, if a customer comes, he can order any type of sandwiches. So sandwiches there he can order in 5 types. There are 5 types sandwiches, and for each type of sandwich there are 4 types of bread. Okay, so 5 into 4. So 20 ways he can choose the type of sandwich and the bread. And now for each of these 20 ways, he can also have a small or large. So for each of these 20, he has 2 options. One for small bread or large. So into 2. Okay. Now this way. Now then for each of this, he can also choose up to 2 sauces out of 6, up to 2. So he can have no sauces, or 1 sauces, or 2 sauces. So into how many options for sauces? The sauces we can have up to 2. So he can no, 0, 1 or 2. So that means he can choose the sauces in 6C0's way, plus 6C1 and plus 6C2. So he can choose the sauces in so many ways. So total number of ways, that is what the question is, number of different ways in the order can be placed. It will be 5 into 4 into 2, okay. 5 into 4 is 20, into 2 40, into, now 6C0 is 1, 6C1 is 6, 6C2 is 15, so 15, 16, 22, so this is 22, so it will be 8880, right? That should be the answer, which is option 3. So that's the answer. I hope this is clear to you, okay.